this video, we'll be looking at this KYY X90E triple portable monitor. They did send this in before review, but as always, does not affect your opinion in any way. So this is a triple portable monitor in the sense that your middle screen will be your laptop screen, so it's actually only adding 2 monitors, but you'll have 3 in total. So kind of, I think it's more of a dual monitor than a triple monitor, but I guess if you're using your laptop screen, then it is 3. Each monitor is going to be running at 1080p, and each one is 15.6 inches, so it should add quite a bit of real estate to your laptop setup overall, but again, it is adding only 2 monitors, not 3. Getting into the box here, the first thing we have on top is just some user manuals and a setup guide. Then we have the actual monitors themselves. We'll look more at them in a minute. Next, it looks like we have a USB-C to USB-C cable for connecting the monitors. There's a power brick for connecting power. Next, we have a USB-A to USB-C cable. This is going to work with this power brick, so you can connect via USB-A to the power brick and then power the monitors through that. Getting into the actual monitors themselves, you can go ahead and get an idea of what they look like. You can see the kind of thickness of it and such. I would say it's about the size and weight of a pretty hefty gaming laptop. So again, it has some pretty decent weight to it, but the fact that it's adding 3 monitors and actually securing to your laptop and everything is pretty cool. So it's not going to be the most portable thing, but it's definitely going to be a lot easier than actually bringing 2 full-size monitors with you to a coffee shop or such. So we'll go ahead and kind of unfold it here just to give you a quick idea and then actually look at it from a different angle with our laptop connected. But essentially what we have here is the center part where the laptop's going to go. That's going to be where your third screen is. It's going to kind of secure to the sides of your laptop on either side here. Then on the left and right side, we have the actual monitors themselves. Each one has independent controls. There's a menu and brightness and all that you can control on there. Same on the other side, as well as this one actually has a power button, but pretty cool that you can actually control the monitors individually in terms of the brightness and all that. And on this right side down here, we have the actual connections for connecting the monitors. So go ahead and look at those on this side. Looks like we just have 2 USB-Cs, so that's going to be one for power and the one for actually connecting the monitors. You're actually going to be able to connect both via one USB-C cable through the center part here, so that's definitely a really cool feature. Again, the other USB-C is just going to be for powering the monitors, but we'll look closer at all that once we get it actually set up. The other thing is on the back here, we actually have a kickstand for supporting everything. It has some nice rubber on the bottom to prevent it from sliding or anything. This part is actually made of metal, so that's part of the reason it weighs a good amount. We also have kind of a handle here as well, so if you're going to be carrying it and such, we actually have a nice kind of easy place to hold on to it while you're bringing it to and from different places. All right, as far as the setup goes, this is how I would say most people would be using this triple monitor setup. We do just have a single USB-C cable plugged into the back here, and then that's connected to the computer, of course, that is powering the monitors and of course connecting them via video. So everything's connected via one USB-C cable, which is super impressive. That is going to drain your laptop's battery a little bit faster than if you also connect the monitors to power, but I think overall it works really well. If you wanted to also connect your laptop to power, of course, then you just have the one USB cable going into the monitors and everything just kind of works as it should. So having to only connect one cable makes it super convenient for setup and all that, of course, and I think it just looks good overall. It does take up a lot of space for sure. Like there's of course a triple monitor setup, so to use this in a coffee shop or something might look a little bit silly. You'll definitely need like a whole table to yourself, so that's one thing to keep in mind. But overall I think it works really well. It looks really good, and even though it's only 1080p, since it's such a small screen, it actually looks pretty crisp overall. So even getting close to it, you don't really notice any issues with the resolution or anything like that. So they're also only at 60 Hz, so it's a little bit unfortunate, but assuming you're not playing games or anything on them, I think they look pretty good overall. So again, resolution's fine, super easy to set up and use. One thing to keep in mind is that they're not actually like connected to the laptop. So as you can see, if I can just kind of move this laptop away from here and then it's just kind of set up like that, you just kind of set the laptop up against here like this. So it's not actually really secured to the laptop or anything. I don't think that's a huge deal. And there are a couple other orientations you can use them in, which I'll go ahead and show you now. This is not the potential setup for these monitors. I think it's a little bit strange, but it's one of the ones that I suggest. But these arms here actually do kind of rotate 360 degrees. Of course, they rotate all the way down to close them. They can go all the way back as well. So if you want to extend it even further, you can like have this one out and have this one all the way back. For example, to have someone sitting across from you and then you can show them what's on your screen, that sort of thing. But I think this setup would be kind of if you have people like sitting in a group of 3 or something, and again, you're duplicating your screen and kind of showing everyone what's on your screen. So a little bit unique. I'm not sure how many people would actually use this, but it's pretty cool to be able to rotate them this far. And again, I think especially if you're having someone sit across from you and you want to just show one person what's on your screen, definitely going to be pretty nice. But it is essentially just showing the articulation of the arms, so you can get kind of creative with the setup. The other layout they suggest is using one monitor as a vertical monitor, so I think that's going to be useful for a lot of people. It's going to be really nice for reading documents and stuff like that if you want to have one set up vertically. One thing to keep in mind is that it doesn't look like there's any way to turn off this other monitor, so even though I'm not using it at the moment, of course it's kind of folded down, it's still going to actually be on and receiving power and everything because you are connecting both via one USB-C cable. So it's a little bit negative in my opinion. It's a little bit strange that you wouldn't be able to like, just connect that one monitor, for example, and use it vertically. The other monitor is actually going to be on even if you're not using it. That part's a little bit strange in my opinion, but overall it's still nice to be able to set up one vertically. And in general, it's nice that you're able to kind of set up the monitors how you want to. I think most people just use them in the first orientation I showed with one monitor on either side of the laptop, but it's nice to be able to kind of configure them and play around with them and get a bit creative with your setup. So yeah, I think that pretty much covers it for this triple monitor setup. A couple things to keep in mind is it's only going to be compatible with Windows. I think that's going to be by far its biggest drawback. I would like to be able to connect this both to my MacBook and my Windows laptop depending on what computer I'm using, but it's only going to be compatible with Windows, so that's just something to keep in mind. I'll say most people's work laptops are Windows laptops anyway, so that might not be a huge deal, but it's definitely a pretty big drawback that you can't use this on a Mac. A couple other potential downsides is, as I mentioned, I would say it is quite a bit bigger and heavier than just using two separate portable monitors. It's still not obnoxious, and I think it's really convenient to have everything in one package, but if you really wanted to be the most efficient on space and weight, you'd be getting two separate portable monitors rather than using this triple one. That's primarily just because you have this extra back part that kind of sits behind the laptop, so I don't think that part's super necessary because it doesn't even attach to the laptop. So that part's adding a bit of weight, but of course it is also convenient to have everything in one package. The other negative is that there doesn't really appear to be any way to use just one monitor. As I was showing you, when I'm using one vertically, the other monitor is still on, and even if I push the power button on that one monitor, it turns off both of them. So from what I can see, you can't use them individually. You really have to use both of them, which I think is another pro to maybe just getting two portable monitors. But if you're really going to be using three all the time and you want everything in one package, then this is definitely a very convenient setup.